Good day, everyone. Today we are going to be presenting the Antecedent-Behavior-Consequence model, also known as the ABC model. It is a framework often used in psychology, education, and behavior analysis to understand and modify behaviors. It helps identify the factors influencing a specific behavior by examining its context and outcomes. The components are the antecedent, behavior, and consequence. For the antecedent, it is defined as the event or situation that occurs immediately before the behavior. It acts as a trigger or cue for the behavior. Examples of the antecedent is a teacher giving a complex instruction and or a child being told it's time to leave the playground. Identifying antecedents helps recognize patterns and develop strategies to prevent unwanted behaviors. Number two is behavior. It is defined as the specific action or response observed after the antecedent. Examples is a student refusing to complete a task and a dog barking when a doorbell rings. The purpose is clearly defining the behavior ensures consistency and clarity in interventions. Number three is consequence. It is defined as the event or outcome that immediately follows the behavior. Consequences can reinforce or discourage the behavior. Examples is a child receiving praise for completing homework and a student getting sent out of the classroom after disrupting the lesson. Analyzing consequences helps determine if they are reinforcing or punishing.
Now, how the ABC model is used. First, behavior analysis. It helps identify why a behavior occurs by examining the relationship between antecedent behaviors and consequences. Second, behavior modification. Adjusting antecedents, changing triggers to prevent undesired behaviors. Example, giving clearer instructions. Shaping consequences, reinforcing positive behaviors and reducing reinforcement for negative ones. Third, practical application. Education. Teacher use the ABC model to manage classroom behaviors. Therapy helps in addressing challenges like anxiety or aggression. Parenting guides parents in understanding and addressing children's behavior. In summary, the ABC model is a framework for understanding and modifying behaviors through the analysis of antecedents, behavior, and consequences. It involves adjusting triggers and shaping consequences to reinforce positive action. This model is applicable in education, therapy, and parenting to effectively manage and address behavior.
Example in practice. A student disrupts class by talking loudly. Antecedent: the teacher starts a math lesson. In this case, the teacher initiating a math lesson serves as the trigger for the student's behavior. It sets the context for what is expected in the classroom. Behavior: the student talks loudly. Talking loudly is the behavior that disrupts the class. This may be mean excitement, boredom, or a desire for social interaction. Consequence: the teacher reprimands the student or giving attention. The teacher reprimanding the student serves as consequence for their behavior. By reprimanding them, the teacher gives attention to the learners. It may be negative or positive. So the teacher must provide attention to the learners. It may be in a form of engaging activities or, or rewarding silence so that the learners could feel that their behavior is not appropriate. As a future educators, we could rather change their behavior in a positive way. So this simple framework is a foundational tool in behavioral psychology and practical for anyone working to influence or understand behavior. This ABC model is an essential tool for anyone working to influence or understand a behavior. So that's it. Thank you for listening.